Hi guys, good evening. So at this moment I'm short sell on the market. So just enter a short sell position somewhere here. Okay, so I'm expecting for the market to go further down. So at this moment, positive 90 US dollar 70. So I'm targeting for the price to reach around 70, then around 20 ticks or 25 ticks or 40 ticks. This is the earlier target. Hopefully can reach there. So now 46, try to break down. So remove this yellow line. So it already passed through this level. So hopefully the price will go much more faster during explosion of this breakout area. So already break. So there's a pullback. Very fast pullback. Okay, we continue live again. Once it passed through this level. Okay guys, continue back. We continue again. So at this moment, so the price did make a huge pullback. So now it try to break through again to this level. So there's a dot line here. So once past this level, there will be explosion to the downside. So I'm expecting for the 20 to 40 ticks of profit. So at this moment, 130 looks good, but have to wait a few more minutes, maybe around 30 more minutes, to see whether the market can be pushed further down or not. So maybe the market not. So by the way, this is a 10-minute chart and this is a 15-minute chart. So let's wait and see whether the market can push further down to the downside. It's gonna take a little while. So let's take a look on the volume. This is my TP area, somewhere at 74.11. Okay, so there's no extraordinary volume appeared at this moment. So the price keep pulling back. Now 52. So I'm down to plus 60 US dollar. So they make a clear bottom down here. So I'm still waiting for the price to break through this level. Once it's break through this level, there's a high tendency for the price to reach 70.10 or 70.00. So let's wait and see for the next 30 minutes. I will resume back this video. I will pause a bit and resume back later on. Okay guys, continue again. So the market just passed through this red dot line. So now we are in a good position of a PNL. So I'm expecting around with my CQG is hang at this moment. This doesn't look good. Okay, but the price went through 36, so it's around 200 plus. Come on, something's not right with my. Never mind. I will pause for a while and to rectify this kind of problem with my CQG platform. So we'll see later on. So the price did break through further down. So there's a lot of money involved here. So I have to log in with my mobile and exit my position. Okay guys, continue again. So the good thing is the price did break through the level of this dot line, and now going very low to 74.24. So from my entry point 58, so it should be around 36. Sorry, my entry is 59, so around 36 ticks, so $360. But unfortunately my CQG is still hang. I got problem with my platform at this moment, but it's a profit one. it's a profit one. I managed to close it through my mobile. So I think that's all for tonight. So it's a profit one and should be enough for tonight. So let's wait for another night, or maybe there's a late night entry. Then I will continue for with another video. Thank you for watching, and bye bye. So guys, the market already reached our TP target area at 74.11. So now the market try to push further down to the pivot level, maybe around 73.96. So it's a good thing that we have make a good positive profit tonight. So my platform still problem, still unable to log into my platform. I'm not sure about the internet, or maybe something wrong with my laptop. But after all, if you saw my previous session, there's a target at 74.11. So now we have reached the target area, and it looks good for tonight. So I guess that's all for tonight. Should be a good day. Okay, thank you guys. Bye bye.